Hello, and welcome to today's ClassCalc tutorial on copying and pasting tables. To get started, we'll copy some sample data from our Google spreadsheet. Please note that you can copy any data from an Excel spreadsheet, a Google spreadsheet, or from a common CSV file. To paste the data in ClassCalc, we use the paste shortcut, which is Command-V on Macs or Control-V on Windows. And now we can see our 500-row table imported from Google Sheets. To view the table in full screen, click here. As you can see, ClassCalc can handle thousands of lines of data, but note that once tables get larger than 50 rows, you will no longer be able to edit the table in ClassCalc. Big tables should be edited in the spreadsheet, then imported to ClassCalc for further manipulation, like running a linear regression. And that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to this ClassCalc tutorial. For more, visit classcalc.com/tutorials.